Everyone, my name is Sangita Basak. I am joining PCS Global from my college campus. I have learned here until now HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Java, and currently I am learning Angular. About HTML, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages. HTML code is used to structure web pages and its content. Now if we want to style that web pages, then we need CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. So here we can say that HTML and CSS are complement of each other. Then I have learned JavaScript. Suppose if you want to change a web pages content by only clicking a single button, then we need JavaScript code. JavaScript is a scripting language. It is used to create and control dynamic web pages. Then I have learned SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is communicate with the databases and it is used to perform many tasks in the databases like update data, insert data, delete data. That's all. After that I have learned the most popular language, and that is Java. Java is a class based object oriented programming language. It is used to develop a mobile application, web application.